With a great beard comes a great responsibility, and in your barber shop. As a barber, you are especially careful with looks and style, so your visual identity must speak for you and represent your professional work. What about impress your customers with a nice logo as well? Design your own logo without hiring someone else, any software, or weeks of designing. PlaceIt's Barbershop Logo Maker offers a variety of templates you can customize to make your own. Let me show you how to do it. Go to placeit.net and go to the logo section to select the category that you're looking for. For this occasion, I will be using this one. Use the text boxes to write down the name of your barber shop, followed by a cool slogan, your shop's specialty, or a tagline. You can activate or deactivate any text line at any time by clicking this checkbox. Choose the type font that suits better to your style. Take your time to try them all and check which one goes better with your style. By clicking this square here, you will be able to choose the color of the text that you just wrote. Click on More to select a specific color or write down the hex code directly to get the very exact color. Now go to the left to choose the graphic. You have lots of options. Just go ahead and play with the designs to find the perfect match for your logo. You can also travel through PlaceIt to find different logo template options that include different graphics. Click here to change the color of your main graphic. Finally, select a background color. No matter what color you choose, you'll get two files at the end, one with the background you selected and a transparent background version of your logo for you to place it wherever you want. And now you can download your new logo. Click on the download blue button and get it. Remember that with PlaceIt's unlimited subscription, you can get all the mockups that you want to for only $29 a month. Create a business card for special clients only, or what do you think about a nice flyer to promote those daily special sales? Go even further and drop your hot logo into a different apparel mockups and post them on your social media like this one. Get creative and have fun with the possibilities. What a great logo can do is help your customers develop an affinity for you. So stay sharp, stand as a professional barber from the crowd, and have a solid identity with a rad logo. Set a before and an after of your barbershop look with PlaceIt's help.